You think about all the billionaires, the most successful people you both have met. What's that one trait they all have in common?
When this guy asked successful millionaires and billionaires the one trait they all share, the answer hit different.
Oh, easy. Great purpose. I've never met somebody with great wealth who doesn't have great purpose.
They don't care about money. Billionaires don't care about money.
So true.
They're on a mission, and money it's amazing. If you're a great entrepreneur and you're so passionate about your business, you wake up one day saying, oh shit, I'm rich, but you don't stop working.
Don't chase the money, chase the dream. The money will follow.